Proper preventive maintenance prevents poor pocketbooks and painful repairs. We did it. We sold our home. Bringing our 2 dogs with us, we packed up everything and started our journey to RV life. Still figuring it out as we go. Hey everyone, I'm Mike, and this is Cozy Camper Chronicles, our journey to RV life, told one stop, one lesson, and one unexpected moment at a time. It's not always smooth, it's not always pretty, but it is real life. Let's get into it. So after that first week, and everything we ran into, we started looking at things a little differently. Instead of asking, what do we do when something goes wrong? We started to ask, what can we do to keep it from breaking in the first place? And that's where preventive maintenance comes in. One thing about us is we are creatures of habit, and we absolutely love checklists. So, being a little nerd myself, I developed a checklist for us, starting with all the details of Cozy Cruiser. All the specifications and the definitions I need so I could be able to see if I can tow something or just calculate the miles per gallon. Getting into our checklists, if I go into the essential checklist, we kind of developed as much as we could think about using different blogs, videos from YouTube, and just talking to people as well. So we put as many things that we could think about into our checklist. We have our tire iron. Do we have our pressure gauge? Electronics. Do we bring our phones, tablets, and laptops? Do we have enough clothes? And if the answer is yes, then we can go ahead and check it off our list. And I can do that with all of our checklists. So we have our pets, our kitchen, our bathroom, when we arrive at a campsite, tear down, and then we get into our preventive maintenance. And our list includes our generator, propane tanks, roofs, jacks. So if I click on seals here, it'll show you what on semi-annually, monthly. So that's just a quick down and dirty of what we use to stay on top of things. One of the easiest but overlooked preventive maintenance items is cleaning your air vent and filter. Start by cleaning the outside. Remove the cover and filter. Clean around the opening, looking for any buildup or condensation. Cleaning the filter thoroughly and letting it dry completely. Then, put it all back together. Pretty simple. But if you don't maintain your air filter, that air filter will work overtime, so clean it often because it keeps everything running better and keeps the air inside a whole lot cleaner. One of the most time-consuming preventive maintenance items is checking our seals and seams. Inside out, around the fixtures, because water, like life, will find its way inside. For hard to reach areas, we use a sturdy ladder and are always safe. As we are checking the seals and seams, we also knock out our slides as well, lubricate if necessary, and check the condition of the tracks. If we happen to find a seam that needs our attention, we put it on our handy dandy checklist and get to it as quickly as possible. Now, I'll be the first one to say I am not a pro at caulking, but I take my time making sure those seams are sealed because at the end of the day, I'd rather be a little amateurish and messy but know it's protected than rush through it and end up with water getting in later. The last preventive maintenance item, but certainly not the least important, is checking our roof. Again, safety comes first, making sure you have a sturdy ladder and taking your time to get up there. Once on the roof, we are doing a visual inspection, looking at seals, checking for pitting, peeling, splitting, or lifting. We also look around our vents and our AC unit, looking for any discoloration or anything that doesn't look right. If something looks off, we again put it on our checklist and take care of it. Don't forget to check the view while you're up there. Then come on down and you're done. You know, sitting out here, you begin to start thinking. It's real easy to give attention to something that broke, but the signs were there for a long time. And maybe that's the lesson. Take care of the small things before they get bigger. Because whether it's out here or just in life, if we take care of the things, they're going to last. Just something to think about as the fire winds down tonight. Okay, everyone, I think this is where we're going to park it for the night. Thank you for joining us. It really, really means something. Next time, we take a trip to Ely. Hopefully you'll join us on the next adventure. Until then, we'll see you again next Chronicle.